as Fashion Institute in Islamabad.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are fine. Welcome to our channel. Today is our class number 8 of Advanced Fashion Designing course, and the topics we are going to study are the last principle, which is balance in fashion designing, and further we are going to study about the history of fashion design. And from Monday, inshallah, we will discuss about the illustration in fashion design and how to illustrate a fashion figure. So let's start our last principle of fashion designing, which is balance. Balance is the visual weight in the design. It is a sense of how the design is balanced and how we make the designs eye-pleasing by using the concept of balance in our designs. It makes the sides of a garment equal. Let's see some examples on this concept. Now, let's discuss about the types of balance. The types of balance in which we are going to study in Advanced Fashion Designing course are symmetrical and asymmetrical. Now, let's discuss these two types of the balance in detail. It uses two identical objects on one of the sides of the design, such as patch, pockets, of equal size to make a pleasing and balanced look to our design. You will understand this type of balance by examples. So let's move to our examples. Hope you have understand this topic. Now let's move to our second type of balance, which is asymmetrical balance. Asymmetrical balance or composition is different from one side of the garment to the other. It is achieved through the visual impact in our designs. Now let's see some examples on this topic to understand this concept. So our topic of principles of fashion design is completed now. Now we are going to start our new topic, which is history of fashion design.
When we talk about fashion, the first word which comes in our mind is history. So let's first talk about the history of fashion in Asia. Western style clothes, which many people find convenient to wear during business hours, are now a common sight in many large cities of Eastern and Southern Asia. This is particularly so in Japan, which since 1945 has built a reputation as an international fashion center. However, in Japan, China, and India, traditional dress is often preferred for occasions such as weddings. In like manner, modes of dress in the South Asian subcontinent have been a source of inspiration to some of the countries of Southeast Asia. Now let's talk about the history of fashion in Pakistan. Based on historical discoveries, Pakistani dresses date back over 7,000 years ago to the Bronze Age. This was during the Indus Valley Civilization era, when cotton was first cultivated around 3000 BC in the Indus River Valley, which is now present-day Pakistan. Some of the famous and well-known Pakistani fashion designers are Munib Nawaz, Ali Zishan, HSY, and many more. So our video is completed now. We'll see you in next class. Thank you.